Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I did not start off a video for these seeds, but I did say in a previous video that I wanted to start off my real seeds because I had done 3 test little tomato plants which are coming along pretty well, but then I started some more since we are later into the season now. Anyway, I'm going to be doing these again here. Tomato right here, so tomato plants. And I started these off on April the 13th, so 5 days ago. Today is the 18th of April. So I've just loaded up some of these little pods with some soil, and then we're going to get these in there. These are super small, and the success rate, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's questionable. There's one there that looks like it didn't start off. That one there almost. But I'm not sure what's going to happen with these, but I better get these planted right now. So these are pretty small, and I don't want to break them. There we go. Look at that, how small that is. Anyway, you've seen me do this before. So tail down into the soil, and then just cover it up. And make sure you don't cover up the top of that little plant. So just like that. That's good like that. Just like that. Alright, I'm just going to do the rest and then I'll come back. So I am back. What I've done here is I've just taken a little bit of green tape and I just put a T just so I know that these are tomato plants. This here I took 3 of them, so instead of just using up 3 pods, I just used 1 for 3 of those little seeds which didn't look too good, so I don't have a lot of confidence in this one here. Hopefully these are going to start, and what I'm going to do is after I finish taping, I believe I'm going to water them down a little bit. So I have a little water bottle here and I just drilled a tiny hole, 1 hole in this one here, just so I have minimal amount of water coming out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these with a little bit of plastic wrap just so that they stay nice and moist, and hopefully a little, it creates a little bit of a dome for these to go, because I'm really kind of worried about these because the seeds are so small and they don't really look very healthy. So anyway, I'm going to come back with any update. If some of these hopefully start off, then I'll come back and show you. So that's it for this really fast one, and I'll catch you on the next one.